Hello student, I am Amit. In this video we are going to solve question number 4 of your exercise 2.2 of polynomial. Okay, so find the zero of polynomial in each of the following cases. You have to find the zeros of polynomial. So you have a first polynomial px equals to x plus 5. So we follow a step to find the zero of polynomial. So here we have for 0 px equals to 0. If you have to find the zero of polynomial, you have to let a given polynomial equals to 0, and from where you get the value of 0. Okay, so px equals to 0, so x plus 5 equals to 0, so x equals to minus 5. So minus 5 is the zero of a given polynomial. Minus 5 is the zero of a given polynomial. Second part, px equals to x minus 5. Px equals to x minus 5. For zeros, px equals to 0. For zeros, px equals to 0. X minus 5 equals to 0. X equals to 5. Okay. So 5 is the zero of a given polynomial. So 5 is the zero of a given polynomial. Third, px equals to 2x plus 5. For zeros, px equals to 0. Px equals to 0. So 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So 2x equals to minus 5. X equals to minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 is the zeros of a given polynomial. Okay. Fourth and fifth part आपका homework होगा, ठीक है? We will solve part 6. Here we have a px equals to ax, where a not equals to 0. For 0, we have to follow the similar procedure what we have followed in the last few questions. So px equals to 0, ax equals to 0. So x equals to 0 by a. But here we have a not equals to 0. So we get x equals to 0. If a equals to 0, it become not defined. It become not defined. U. Okay? It become not defined. But here we have not a equals to 0. So x equals to 0. Part 7. Px equals to cx plus d. The c not equals to 0 and c and d are a real number. For zeros, px equals to 0. Cx plus d equals to 0. Cx equals to minus d. X equals to minus d by c. So minus d by c is the zero of a given polynomial. Okay. Now exercise 2.3. Okay. Question of first. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. आपको रिमाइंडर बताना है जब ये पॉलिनोमियल इससे डिवाइड किया जाएगा. तो यू हैव अ टू मेथड. फर्स्ट वन, अ लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड. ओके, x plus 1 divided x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Follow the same process of division what you have studied in the previous classes. Okay, here x cube, so we'll multiply by x square, we get x cube, minus cancel out because plus minus cancel. 1 into x square, here we have x square plus, but sign become change, minus plus minus 3x 2x square plus 3x plus 1. We have to multiply 2x square x with 2x, so we get 2x square, negative plus minus 2x square minus 2x square 0. Now 1 into 2x, we get 2x plus minus 3 minus 2, we get x plus 1. Now last, we will multiply x plus 1 with 1, we get x plus 1 and we get remainder 0. So it's a long process, it's a long division method to find the remainder. But what will be new here? We have another method to find the remainder when a polynomial is multiplied by some other polynomial. So in this case, means in the remainder theorem, जिस चीज से आप डिवाइड करा रहे हो उसको आपको 0 के इक्वल लेट करना है. एंड x plus 1 equals to 0, we get x equals to 1. और जिस पॉलिनोमियल को आप डिवाइड करा रहे हो उसको आप px लेट करोगे. px equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 1, then you have to put the value of x equals to minus 1 in the whole polynomial. Okay, so p minus 1 cube plus 3 minus 1 square minus plus 3 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so minus 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1. After solving we get 0. Okay, in the long division method we get 0, and in the remainder theorem method we also get 0. Okay, both are the same process, we get the same answer from both of the process, but it is a long process and it is a too short process. So you have, whenever question is asking only a remainder, then you have to apply a remainder theorem. It is not necessary you have to follow the long division method in the case when you are going to solve, when you are going to find remainder. It is easy method. Okay, now the second part, same polynomial is divided by x minus 1 by 2. So मैंने पहले बता रखा, जिस चीज से आप डिवाइड कराने जा रहे हो उसको आप 0 के इक्वल लेट करोगे, फिर x की वैल्यू वहां से निकालोगे. सो हियर वी गेट x इक्वल्स टू 1 by 2 एंड पुट दिस वैल्यू ऑफ x इन हियर. ओके, हियर वी हैव a x. सो px, we have a px equals to this. Now p at 1 by 2. After solving 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 8, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4 plus 3 plus 1. After solving we get 27 by 8. After solving we get 27 by 8. Clear? Okay. थर्ड पार्ट आपका होमवर्क होगा, उसमें आपको x से डिवाइड करना है. तो यू हैव टू पुट x इक्वल्स टू 0 and put x equals to 0, you get 1. Simple. It's a very simple question. Now fourth question, x plus pi से आपको डिवाइड कराना है पॉलिनोमियल को. तो you have to return x plus pi equals to 0. We get x equals to minus pi and put minus pi at everywhere where we have x. P at minus pi equals to minus pi cube plus 3 minus pi square plus 3 minus pi plus 1. Okay, solving we get minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Fifth part, same polynomial is divided by 5 plus 2x. So 5 plus 2x equals to 0. We get x equals to minus 5 by 2. Put x equals to minus 5 by 2 where we have x. At everywhere where we have x. Okay, minus 5 by 2 cube plus 3 minus 5 by 2x square plus 3 minus 5 by 2 plus 1. After solving we get minus 27 by 8. Okay, clear? Now question number 2, same question. Find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by this one. तो मैंने पहले बता रखा, जिस चीज से आप डिवाइड करोगे उसको आप 0 के इक्वल लेट करोगे, फिर वहां से x की वैल्यू निकालोगे, और जिस पॉलिनोमियल को आप डिवाइड करोगे उसको आप px लेट करोगे, और जहां पे x की वैल्यू जो आ रही उस वैल्यू में x की जगह वो वैल्यू पुट करोगे. तो p at 1 a cube minus a square plus 6a minus a cube cancel out, 6a minus a equals to 5a. Now the question number 3rd. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of this polynomial or not. Okay, आपको चेक करना है कि ये जो पॉलिनोमियल है इसका फैक्टर है कि नहीं है. तो अगर हम इसको इससे डिवाइड कराते हैं, इस पॉलिनोमियल को इससे अगर हम डिवाइड कराएंगे और हमें रिमाइंडर 0 मिल जाएगा, तो ये पॉलिनोमियल इसका फैक्टर है, अदरवाइज इसका फैक्टर नहीं है. तो आपको रिमाइंडर निकालना है. अगर इसको इससे डिवाइड कराने में रिमाइंडर अगर आपका 0 आ जा रहा है तो ये इसका फैक्टर है, अदरवाइज नहीं है. ओके, सो लेट px इक्वल्स टू 3x क्यूब प्लस 7x and 7 plus 3x equals to 0 and x equals to minus 7 by 3. Okay, so px equals to 3x cube plus 7x. Put p at minus 7 by 3. Okay, at minus 7 by 3 cube plus 7 minus 7 by 3. After solving we get minus 490 divided by 9. Minus 490 divided by 9. Since remainder is not 0, यहाँ पे हमारा रिमाइंडर तो 0 आया नहीं है, तो हम ये बोलेंगे कि 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. अगर 0 आ जाता तो हम बोलते कि इसका फैक्टर है. 0 नहीं आया है, सॉल्व करने पे रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ रहा है, तो उसका फैक्टर नहीं है. ओके, तो आप ये लिखोगे 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So we have solved exercise 2.3 of your polynomial chapter. We will solve next exercise in the next video. तब तक आप सारे पॉलिनोमियल्स के क्वेश्चंस को रिपीट करते रहें. ओके, थैंक यू.